Kids! In this video, I'll be showing you guys a really easy study tip that will help you to increase your marks in your studies. So many of you guys wanted me to make a video of my daily routine and my study tricks and everything. So in this video, I thought I'll be showing you guys a really easy trick. So it's a really easy trick and you won't need many materials for this. So first step is that we're going to be needing a few boxes. So I've made a few boxes like this. So you guys can make these boxes slowly. So I've already posted a video on my channel about how to make a really easy paper box. So you guys can refer that video. So the first step you're going to be doing is that you're going to be taking the amount of boxes as per the lessons you have in your studies. So for example, for your test, if you're going to be having like about 5 lessons, you're supposed to be taking 5 boxes. So the first step we're going to be doing is that after we take the boxes, I'm just going to be taking a sticky note or like any piece of paper. So according to the boxes, you can take the paper. So for here, we have 3 boxes. So I'm just going to be taking 3 sticky notes slowly. So I'm just going to be placing all these 3 sticky notes on top of each of the box. So next step is that we're just going to be writing anything that we like. So for example, we're going to be writing for example, I personally prefer playing and reading books and going on my iPad for a few minutes, so like that. So you can write anything that you really like and that you cannot live without. So for example, the first one I'm just going to be writing as watching my iPad. So I'm just going to be writing that. So you can write anything that you like that will make you to focus more on studying. So for example, first one is watching my iPad. So I just wrote it like that. So next I'm just going to take the next piece of paper and I'm going to writing anything that I like. So I'm just going to be writing reading books for this one. So you guys can write playing or anything that you prefer the most. So I wrote reading books over here, and now I'm just going to be taking the third one and I'm just going to be writing anything that I prefer the most. So now I wrote playing over here. So the next step we're going to be doing is that we're just going to be folding all these pieces slowly like this. So I'm just going to be folding it like this, and I'm going to be repeating the same step for this one as well. And now I'm just going to be taking this piece of paper and I'm going to be folding it like this as well. So now I'm just going to be just shuffling them, and I'm going to be placing them in random order. So as I said, I've already posted a video on my channel about how to make a paper box. So you guys can refer that video. So I'm just going to be opening these boxes slowly like this. And now I'm just going to be putting any random note over here like this. So now you can close the box. So before that, we're just going to be writing the lesson name on top of the box. So for this, you guys can use a tape. So you just take a tape and you could just stick it. Then you could write the lesson's name on the top of the tape, since it will be more waterproof and you can write anything you like. So if you want to do that, you can do that, or you can even take like papers. So now I'm just going to be taking like a few cuttings of this papers, and I'm going to writing the lesson's name. So for example, you can write any lesson's name. So before that, I'm just going to be closing the boxes over here. So as I said, you should put the number of boxes as per the lessons you have. So for the first one, I'm just going to be writing lesson 1. So you can write it according to the lessons you have. You can write the lesson name. So I'm just going to be placing it over here. And next, I'm just going to be writing lesson 2. So now after I complete that, I'm going to be placing it on top of the second box. And now I'm just going to be writing lesson 3. So as I said, you won't be knowing what thing you have in each of the box. It will be like a suspense. So now as soon as you do this, you guys can now start studying. So if you study lesson 1, you could get the prize inside the box. So for example, if I finished my lesson 1, I'll open the box like this, and I'll take out the piece of paper and I will see it, and the prize I got is watching my iPad. So like that, if you do the study tip, you can get whatever you think you like to do. Then you can also be a really fun study way. So instead of putting a note, even if you want, you can even try to put the real thing. For example, you can place the real gift, for example chocolates or yo-yo or something like that. So you could place that, and you can do it for all the lessons. Now this will give you a really good study tip, and you'll also want the gift, and you'll also be studying well. So this is the end of my video. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. Thank you for watching, and please put the like button and comment if you like this study tip. Thank you for watching. Bye.